$600 just received today, and another 600, so that's a total of $1,200 deposited directly into your account. We are not talking about any nonsense or any point system. We are talking about big money. There's no selling required, no referral system, no social media, no followers, and no surveys. Just watch this video, complete a few steps in less than 5 minutes, and you can withdraw your money. Don't worry, because this is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money at all to get started. This is also available worldwide. This is USA videos, and welcome to my channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Now the website that I want to share with you today is Clearvoice. Basically, this is a 100% legit company that is hiring right now. They're going to pay you money every single day, and don't worry, you don't need any previous experience or tech skills. Everything is actually very simple, and I'll show you how to do it. Now when you go onto the homepage of clearvoice.com, I want you to go down to the very bottom of the website, and I want you to look for this link that says for freelancers. I want you to click on that link, and that's going to take you to this page. We can sign up to become a freelancer, and you could simply start posting articles on this website and you can get paid. Now as you can see here, people from different countries in the world are able to generate a very consistent income every single month on this website. So all you have to do is put in your first name and your last name and click on the button to copy the very simple registration process. From there, once you log into your account, you will be able to see your username on the top. Now you have to complete your profile. So right here, you're going to update your profile picture. From there, you can see a progress on the CV completion. If you complete and update your profile, in just a minute I'll show you how to copy and paste different articles and post them on your profile, and you could start making $200, even $300. So you have these different profiles of different other people over here. Let me show you one example. Let's look at this profile. So just click this to view the CV, and that's going to take you to this page. You can see here the username and the profile picture. You could be anonymous, and you don't even have to actually upload your real profile picture. You can just upload any image to represent yourself. Once again, if you scroll down, you can see the different articles that were posted by this person. You can see here they are separating them into different categories. There are a lot of people every single day that go on to Clearvoice to look for different articles and different posts. They're going to search them in different categories like finance, healthcare, software, and that's just so many different categories. They will simply browse through on different profiles, and if they click on any one of your articles that they could read, then you make money. So don't worry, you don't have to actually write any of the articles. I'll show you a secret website where you can get your free articles. Then you can simply copy and paste and post on your profile. So before we continue with the secret strategy, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So right now I want you to go on to the second website, which is killerpillararticles.com. On this website, you can find different fresh private label rights articles that you can copy and paste, and they're all copyright free for commercial use. So you can resell the articles, you can repost them, you can use it in any ways that you want, and that's the beauty of Pillar Articles. Now you can see right on this website different categories. For example, arts and entertainment, computer and technology, education, food and beverages, and that's exactly what you're looking for. The more articles that we have, the more articles we can post to Clearvoice, the more money we're able to make. Just like this guy right here that's posting different articles on his page. This guy is literally making hundreds if not thousands of dollars on Clearvoice. We can do exactly the same, but we just have to find the right articles and upload that onto your profile. So let's go onto this website, Killer Pillar Articles. You can find different categories of articles that you can copy and paste that are 100% free. Let's just say you want to focus on the art and entertainment category. We could just click on the celebrities pillar article, so that's going to bring us to to this page where we can find a lot of different articles about this. I just want you to imagine for every single one of these typical articles people are selling and charging hundreds of dollars, you can get them for free on this website, and it's super high quality. A lot of them have hundreds or sometimes thousands of words. You can go on to the next pages and check out a lot more articles on this website. And guess what? That's just from one category. From all the choices of categories that you have on this website, you can repeat this on different articles on different other major categories. If I click on any one of these articles, that's going to take you to this page where you can see the entire article. You can view and download the full PLR articles by just signing up for a free account. Now all you have to do is just click on this link, click here to sign up, and that's going to get us to this page where we can create a free lifetime account. So just put your full name, your email address, and a password, and you can click on this button to get free instant access. So right now all you gotta do is to go back to a profile on clearvoice.com, and we have to re-upload and repost the articles into our profile. You just have to click on this button on the bottom that says add, and that's where we can actually copy and paste the URL link of the articles. You can also simply click on this button to upload any file from your computer. So right now you can see that I have successfully uploaded the entire article that I got for free. You can see the entire article that I uploaded in Clear Voice. Once again, I just got this from this website, Killer PLR Articles. So now that you have uploaded the article, the next thing that you will do is fill in some information about the article. The first thing they're going to ask you is to select a category for this particular article. Now from there, you could just click on the down arrow and look for the category. For example, it is a celebrity. Moving on to the second question, which is the primary law. So you can just click on the down arrow. On the choices, you can just choose writer, which is very important because you need to make sure to put in the right details in order to get approved. So yeah, so your articles will be posted on your profiles. So from there, on the content type, you can choose from articles or blog posts. In the case, I'm going to choose article. Then for the section, make sure to choose published content. Now all of these are very important because if you don't use these categories, people won't be able to find your articles on this website or on Google. So make sure to choose those options right there, so your articles will become public, so the other people will have the opportunity to view your profile and read all your articles, and you're going to get paid finally for the description. You could just print the title of the article. As you can see, it's actually very simple. We can do it in less than 2 or 3 minutes. So right now all you have to do is just click on the update button right here. As you can see, your content piece was successfully saved onto your profile, so you can see an article on your profile already. And if you upload more articles, then the more money you will be making. So make sure to upload more, so you would be making a lot of money. This strategy is proven since a lot of people are doing this exact same strategy. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel with the notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USA Videos, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.